A lot of new users to ChatGPT get frustrated at the initial response in the platform because it may not have provided the perfect answer or didn't do what the user wanted it to do. This sometimes causes the people to either start a new chat thread to try again or get so frustrated they stop using AI altogether. But I think what most people miss is that using ChatGPT to its fullest potential means interacting with each chat multiple times to get the perfect output. Sometimes we'll get lucky and ChatGPT returns the perfect answer the first time, but other times it may take 2 or 3 or more back and forth to get what we need back. That's why I always say the fortune's in the follow-up when it comes to prompting AI. Unlocking ChatGPT's full potential starts with the art of asking follow-up questions. Think of ChatGPT as a thought partner. Like any great conversation, you wouldn't expect all the answers from just one question. Following up with AI is an important part of getting the most out of every interaction. First, it's important to understand how ChatGPT processes our prompts. Once we add a question or task for AI to process, it analyzes our words, interprets the intent behind them, and then draws from its training data to generate a response. But here's the key. Each follow-up question is a new opportunity to clarify, refine, or dig deeper. This is where the real power lies. Following up our first prompt with additional questions lets us get more relevant and accurate outputs. So why are follow-up questions so powerful? First, they help AI refine the mostly broad answers it gives initially to more specific answers most of us are looking for. It also gives the user an opportunity to guide ChatGPT in a new direction if needed. This is helpful if ChatGPT's initial response misses the mark and you need to get the conversation back on track. Here are a few strategies to make your follow-up questions as effective as possible. First, be specific. The clearer you are, the more targeted ChatGPT's answers will be. Second, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. If something isn't entirely clear, simply ask for more examples or a breakdown. Third, try expanding the discussion. You can ask more examples or ask ChatGPT to go in more depth about a topic. Check out the help document linked in the description below to learn more about the topic. Using follow-up questions isn't just about getting better answers. It's about understanding how to interact with AI and use it in a way that provides the most benefit to you. So next time you're interacting with ChatGPT, remember, your first question is just the start, and the fortune's really in the follow-up. Thanks for watching.